Notice how this minimalist atrium blends indoor and outdoor spaces. The Zen garden elements create a calming, natural focal point for the home. This aerial view highlights modern architectural clean lines. A tranquil water feature and stone facade harmoniously ground the sleek white geometric design perfectly. Observe the sophisticated outdoor living area. A slated pergola provides filtered natural light, enhancing the serene elegance of the crisp white modular furniture. Large glass windows dissolve the boundary between the lush garden and this modern interior, contrasting neutral gray seating beautifully against vibrant outdoor greenery. Biophilic design principles are at work here. Potted plants and sliding glass doors seamlessly connect the pristine white indoor lounge to the patio. Polished concrete floors reflect abundant light from the overhead skylight, elevating the refined luxury of this spacious room overlooking a serene, naturalistic garden. This design showcases seamless resort-style living. The overhead structure provides comfortable shade while framing the vibrant, dappled foliage and sophisticated modern dining setup. Notice the raised platform with carefully curated planters. It introduces strong biophilic elements that perfectly balance the crisp white architectural beams and columns. Adding an indoor olive tree immediately softens contemporary architecture. It brings organic texture that beautifully complements the minimalist black accents and gray upholstery. An indoor garden bed with river stones brilliantly brings nature into this luxurious apartment, softening the impressive panoramic city views and modern aesthetics. Deep depth of field emphasizes the vast spaciousness here. The pure white aesthetic is thoughtfully grounded by natural wood tables and indoor greenery. A mature tree inside a pristine pebble atrium acts as a magnificent natural centerpiece, elevating this modern home into a tranquil urban sanctuary. The striking stone archway in the outdoor garden serves as a powerful visual anchor, contrasting nicely against the untextured plush white sectional sofa. Incorporating a large textured rock atop dark river stones introduces an authentic Zen atmosphere, bridging the gap between minimalist interiors and raw nature. A linear black fireplace creates a dramatic focal point against crisp white walls, while the shag rug adds necessary warmth to the minimalist space.